Hello and welcome to this video about the sun. The sun is a fascinating and powerful celestial body, and in this video, we'll be exploring everything you need to know about it, from its composition and structure to its role in our solar system, to the impact it has on life on Earth and beyond. The sun's composition and structure. Let's start by taking a look at the sun's composition. The sun is made up of roughly 70 hydrogen, 28 helium, and two other elements like carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen. These elements are constantly undergoing nuclear fusion reactions, which release energy in the form of light and heat. Moving on to the sun's structure, the sun can be divided into three main parts: the core, the radiative zone, and the convective zone. The core is the innermost part of the sun, where the majority of the nuclear fusion reactions take place. The radiative zone surrounds the core, where energy is transferred through radiation, and the convective zone is the outermost part of the sun, where energy is transferred through the movement of hot gas. The sun's role in our solar system. Know that we have a basic understanding of the sun's composition and structure. Let's talk about its role in our solar system. The sun is the center of our solar system, and it is the source of all the light and heat that reach the 8 planets and other celestial bodies that orbit it. The sun's gravity is what holds everything in our solar system together, and it is also what causes the planets to orbit the sun in their respective paths. Without the sun's gravitational pull, our solar system would simply fall apart. The sun's impact on life on Earth. No, let's focus on the sun's impact on life on Earth. The sun is the primary source of energy for all life on our planet. It provides the light and heat that plants need to perform photosynthesis, which is the process they use to make food. This, in turn, provides energy for all the other living things that eat plants or eat other animals that eat plants. The sun also has a major impact on our planet's climate and weather. Its heat drives the Earth's climate and weather systems, and changes in the sun's activity, such as sunspots or solar flares, can have a significant effect on our planet's weather patterns. The sunspot cycle. Let's take a closer look at one of the sun's most interesting features: sunspots. Sunspots are dark, cooler areas on the sun's surface that are caused by strong magnetic fields. They come in cycles, with the number of sunspots decreasing over a period of about 11 years. Scientists study sunspots to learn more about the sun's magnetic activity and to understand how this activity affects our planet. During periods of increased sunspot activity, the sun can release solar flares and coronal mass ejections, which can have a major impact on our planet's environment. Solar flares and coronal mass ejections. Solar flares are powerful bursts of energy that are released from the sun's surface. They are caused by the sun's magnetic activity and can have a significant impact on our planet's environment. For example, solar flares can disrupt communication systems, signals, and power grids. Coronal mass ejections, abortions, are another type of event that can occur on the sun. These are massive eruptions of plasma and magnetic fields from the sun's corona that can travel through space and impact the Earth when it power grids. The sun's life cycle. So far, we've learned about the sun's composition, structure, role in our solar system, impact on life on Earth, and various phenomena such as sunspots, solar flares, and coronal mass ejections. But what about the sun's life cycle? Like all stars, the sun has a life cycle, and it is currently in the middle of its main sequence phase, where it is producing energy through nuclear fusion in its core. However, the sun will eventually run out of fuel and will begin to evolve into a red giant, eventually cooling and becoming a white dwarf. The search for habitable planets. With our knowledge of the sun and its life cycle, we can now turn our attention to the search for habitable planets. Scientists are searching for exoplanets, or planets outside our solar system, that are in the habitable zone where conditions are right for liquid water to exist. The discovery of exoplanets in the habitable zone is an exciting development, as liquid water is a key ingredient for life as we know it. By finding exoplanets in the habitable zone, we are one step closer to discovering the possibility of life beyond our solar system. Conclusion. In conclusion, the sun is a fascinating and powerful celestial body that plays a crucial role in our solar system and in our lives. From its composition and structure to its role as the center of our solar system, to its impact on life on Earth, the sun is a subject that never ceases to amaze us. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the sun. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos about space and astronomy.